Hello and welcome to Erwin's Megastore. Today we're going to be unboxing Klarstein AeroVital hot air fryer. Let's do it! Sorry, I'm just admiring the nice design here. So modern, so chic. This thing looks so good, and I assure you, it looks even better in person. Let's get into it. The tray. It's a 5.4 litre capacity tray. So, you know you can cook up a decent amount in this thing. It's like something from the future, you know? So as you know, this is an air fryer. So if you're interested in an air fryer, then obviously you're looking to cook up some healthier meals. This will do just that. With barely any oil needed, this thing will fry, cook, bake in much less time than an oven and with less energy consumption. It's a great investment not only for your money, but for your health as well. It has a power consumption of 1700 watts. That's still less than your oven. And as you can see, the indicator lights there, the adjustment knobs there, and your tray. It's fairly simple and easy to use. And yeah, that's the basics of the Klarstein AeroVital air fryer. Hope you enjoy. Yeah, I'm still admiring it. This is a machine from the future.